Assalamualaikum. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch some colorful fish and they are looking good activities. They're playing well. I hope we enjoy this video. Don't be moved. Be seated. So this video is so exciting. Wow. It's Irene catch. Want to catch this one? Yes. Hey. আছে ওখানে রেখে আসছে Oh, this one we're going to go. Wow. Hey, yet. This one go and come back. This looking good, playing well. Oh, yes.
আরাম লাগে না
মজা লাগে আরাম লাগে মজা Oh, yes. Mashallah. Playing well. Beautiful scenery. It's beautiful scenery. ওখানে মাছ আছে তো দেখো তোমার ভাইয়া মাছ ধরবে হ্যাঁ ওখানে মাছের ডিম আছে মাছ আছে ছোট ছোট অনেক মাছ আছে আমি দেখেছি তো হ্যাঁ ওখানে হ্যাঁ ধরতে পারবে Yes, looking good. Playing well, mashallah. Oh, yes, it's cats. Oh, Irene. Oh, looking good. Wait, it's under the stone. Come. Playing. Wow. Mashallah. Playing well. Collect. At a place. On the cat. Oh, yes. Looking good. Mashallah. ছেড়ে দাও বেশি সময় ধরে রাখা যাবে না উপরে হ্যাঁ Wow. Mashallah. This is looking good. Playing well. Just give a bite. Irene, you go to school? Are you go to school today? Irene? Oh. Yes. Looking good. Mashallah.
Saturday.
Yes. It's beautiful scenery. Hope you enjoyed this video. Not for today. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye.